want his butt.
You know what's this?
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Okay, let's go.
Do you want to open it now?
Yes, I can open it. Ice cream. It's good and bottom.
What's inside? Now this one is the strawberry powder.
Okay.
Then this one is vanilla. Then sprinkle. So what's
Why?
a tray for you to mix in? Oh, it's so cute. Look at that, so small and cute.
Put that one. Put the ice cream through.
Sprinkles. Piping bag. We have 2.
Waffles?
Is it wafers?
No waffles.
Wafers.
Look at that.
So what are these? Masca, do you know what these are called?
Waffles.
Waffle?
Yeah. Cone waffles. Cone waffles.
What is it?
Cone waffle.
Waffle. Say that again.
Waffle cone.
You know what's next?
Put the water, put this one like this.
Okay.
I'm gonna cut out this one first. Yeah, the blue one. I like the blue one.
So what? We're gonna cut up the blue packaging and inside
There's a lot of blue.
powders. And what flavor is that?
Vanilla. Vanilla.
Not vanilla. It's vanilla.
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 Vanilla. Like vanilla ice cream? Say that again.
Vanilla.
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 So we're gonna put 1 scoop
I want
of water into the vanilla powder.
Don't spit it.
Of course we don't want to spill it. So we're gonna mix
I
it.
didn't spit it.
Yes.
I'm Ben 10.
Okay.
Can I mix it too? Can I mix it?
So you're gonna stir it.
Oh, do you?
Okay. Ooh, see, it's very creamy now.
Yeah, put in there. Put in there.
No, not yet. Smells nice. Smells like ice cream.
Eat it.
No, not yet. No, you can't eat it yet. Why are you eating it now? You're very naughty. Look, you took a bite. so naughty. Like a little mouse. Naughty. Say sorry.
Zoe. Charlie.
Naughty boy.
Also eat it.
Well, you have to wait until it's finished.
What's next?
You have to be patient. What flavor is this one?
Strawberry.
This one is the pink packaging. And what it's in it? What flavor?
Strawberry.
1 scoop of water into the pink strawberry powder. So we're gonna mix it.
That's why. I told you it's pink. I told you it's pink.
Yes, so mixing it. Strawberry flavor. Ice cream, yeah?
Yes. Don't say yes. Say yes. Oh, that's so good. Strawberry. That's strawberry.
Looks very creamy and smells very nice too.
Vanilla.
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 Go why?
What are you doing?
I think you photo with you.
No, I'm not taking photo. So we're gonna finish off decorating the ice cream. So we've finished mixing the 2 ice cream flavors.
Yeah.
So we have strawberry and vanilla. Yes?
Yes. Let's start.
So we're gonna put in the piping bag. So ice cream into the piping bag.
Yeah.
Yes?
And another one. Oh, I want strawberry vanilla.
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 It's a V. V vanilla. V
Vanilla.
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 Vanilla. V. Now we're gonna cut it. Gonna cut the tip of it. Gonna cut the tip of the piping bag.
Strawberry one. I see the strawberry there.
And gonna try to squeeze out the ice cream. We're gonna do this one as well, okay?
Yes. Let's do it. I want to look and see. That one is yours. Finish. Whoa, what is so awesome? That's so awesome! That's cool berry ice cream. That's cool berry ice cream. We have to dry it.
So
Mama.
cute. Look at that.
Cut it half. Oh, that's big for me.
We're gonna find 2 small pieces.
Wafers. That's wafers.
Wafers.
Wafers. Wafers. Cut up this half. Yeah, half. Oh,
That one. Where did it go?
there.
Oh. And this one you have to cut like that. Using the scissors, maybe it's easier. No, it's gonna crumble.
You have to share.
Okay.
You have to share.
That one's really bad. Somehow. That, and then you cut. You wanna do it? Yeah, squeeze it. Oh.
You can put sprinkle in there.
Yeah.
Like this.
So, I'm gonna put the cream on the wafers.
Yes, wafers. I like the wafers. They're so nice. Clean. Put it in. Go. Yes. You put the other one. You have to put the other one. It's a burger. It's a sandwich.
That's not a burger.
It's a sandwich.
Yeah, ice cream sandwich.
Sandwich, Mommy. It's a sandwich.
sprinkles.
Yeah, can we do this one, and this one, and this?
You can do all of them.
Yay! Can I eat it? Eat the heart.
Yeah.
Eat the heart.
Decorate it.
On the heart. Eat it. Want the hearty. Want to eat
Yeah.
the blue one, the blue. No, the pink one. The pink one.
Okay, I'll take this one. Got this one. It's mine.
So sprinkles off to me. It's okay. I can just do this. I can taste it.
This is mine. What about your sprinkles?
Can you do this for me?
You do it.
It's a heart. Can you do it for me?
You can do it yourself.
I finish it. Ring ice cream is all done.
Okay. Okay, so the ice cream is done.
Yeah, I eat
Do you wanna try?
Yes, mommy. Not mine.
This one is yours.
This one mine.
Oh, dropped it. Yeah. I'm gonna try mine.
Put it in the bottom.
Show mommy how it looks like. Let me see. Show mommy. Oh, it's so small.
Mine is squish.
You dropped it.
I drop it. I squish together.
Squish it together.
Sprinkles in there. Mine heart is over there.
Is it yummy?
Huh? That's fine. I'm gonna do this.
Nice. Does it taste like real ice cream? Yes? It does? Are you sure?
It's good. I won. You win.
Oh, I lost.
Mommy, I win. Let's go win.
Okay. 1-0.
You 0. I 1 point.
Yes.
I win.
Which one you want? You want this one or this one? So JJ, take this one? Uh-oh. Your mouth too small. Bosco goes Oh! You dropped it! Can't eat it now.